In the previous we made the YouTube video section, but when the page is loaded, as you can see, there is a delay time because video is bigger than image file. So, let me make a transition from image to video file. It may looks more natural. Add a full width section. Click the Styles tab and select Background Type Classic. Add an image. Go to the Layout tab. Change the height to min height. Set it to the same height as the YouTube video section. Oh, it is better to change the image. Select the bottom in the shape divider. Replace it with a wave brush like the YouTube video section. Go to the Advanced tab and set the z-index to 0. Because the higher the z-index number, priority is higher. The z-index of the YouTube video section can be set larger than this section. Set to 1 YouTube video's index. Make the top margin -520 pixels. It completely overlaps the YouTube video. Let's check our website. An image shows before the YouTube video. It looks much more natural than before. Let me add an animation effect when the title text comes out. Select the title text. Go to the Advanced tab. Select the motion effect. Choose Fade and Left. All work in the section is finished. A nice section is done. In the second section, let me show you how to create an image gallery that connect to social networks such as Facebook or Instagram. Add one section. After making the section height 960 pixels, I'll adjust it later. Let me create a title text provided by the premium add-on. Adds a premium dual headings. There are 2 words, you can make each word a different design. It's easy to use. Add fancy text at the top. It's a text with animation effects. Prefix is the first word, so I will delete it. Correct suffix words as well. Let's change the animation name text to Facebook and Instagram. Click the Additional Settings tab. You can edit various settings. Change the animation type in effect. Edit your typing speed. Let me set it to slide up 500 milliseconds. Go to the Style tab and edit the design for the text. Change the size to 21 pixels. Prefix and suffix are set to the same size. Let's edit the text design for dual headings. Change the font to Cond. Set the font size to 65 pixels. Set the second text in the same way. Let me change only the font color. Edit the text. Move the position of the fancy text and title, then it is completed. Let me add a background image for Fiat the Momentxt. Select the background overlay and choose the type as classic. Add an image. Change position to center. When we scroll screen after setting fixed, only the contents are scrolled. This is a quite popular design these days. If the image is small, repeat is an option that shows until the background is full. We set to no repeat, it will be shown only once. Set the size to cover. Cover option will be fully displayed in the background. I'm going to use it as a fainted background, so let me set the transparency. Set it to 0.07. If you want to make a connected style with upper section, you can use a negative top margin. The z-index should be larger than the YouTube video. When you increase the z-index, the transparency makes barely to see, the overlapping part of the YouTube video was overwritten. If you don't like this, delete the bottom shape divider in the YouTube section. You may know how to do that. Let me skip explanation about it. Move the title up. When an image is added, it needs to be readjusted. Change it all at once at last time. Before creating an image gallery, adjust the global image settings. Select Site Settings and choose an image. Change the border radius to 0. This will set the border radius of all images added from now on to 0. Add a 3-column section. Select the first column and set the column width to 40%. The last column is also set to 40%. The second column automatically resizes to 19.33%. Let's add 2 intersections to each column. As you can see, edit the number of columns as much as the size of the image to be displayed. Add all images to each column. Let me add a total 9 images. When creating an image gallery like this, the image size is recommended with same aspect ratio. If the image size is all irregular aspect ratios, let me show them at the end of the video. I recommend the masonry style design. I added all the images, but only the image in the second column looks a little small. I think it's because of the padding of the column. Remove all column gaps. Then manually adjust the padding and margins. Make the padding 1 pixel. Top margin is 7 pixels. The margin between images to 20 pixels. It looks proper gap. Let's check the front-end website. It looks good. Set the link to custom URL. Enter the address to link the image to. Set the hover effect when the image is moused over. Go to the Style tab. Choose Hover. Set the options in Hover Animation. You can choose any effect you like. Then all you have to do is move it upwards. Move it over the section you created first. If necessary, edit the background size. Let's check it on the front end. A beautiful Instagram style image section is completed with a fixed background. Let me show you how to use premium add-on plugins. You may remember, I have introduced you before. Choose a premium template. Click the Image Gallery tab. Choose a template you like and insert it. It has a decent design like professional. Click the edit icon and click Image/Video. Change the image. In the case of tab, you can edit it in category. Let me introduce another plugin that you can use. On the Add Plugin screen, search for GT3, install and activate it. Refreshes the Elementor screen. Add masonry from GT3 gallery. Click the Add Media button. Select all images to be added and add them. It has a pop-up slider. Including various features to be executed when clicked in the Settings tab. You can set options. Let me add some images with irregular proportions. As you can see, Masonry Style automatically adjusts the blocks.